At first we need to turn on assistive touch. Now I will show you how to turn on assistive touch on your iPhone. Go to setting, after general, accessibility, and assistive touch. Scroll down, assistive touch, just turn on it. After I told that how you will turn off your iPhone without power button. Okay, home. Then this is a task. Here I press. This is home. I will check. Yes, it's work. Okay. Now device lock screen, press and hold on. Then okay, slide to power off your iPhone. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.